Common mistakes that people make in premises cases in Wyoming are they, first of all, talk to the insurance company on the other side, or talk to the adjuster for the insurance company. For instance, if you fall at a grocery store, a major chain, what will happen is that a adjustment company from that chain will contact you right away and want a statement from you. And people make those statements, and of course those will always be used against you in the future, so you don't want to do that. Secondly, people will post the darndest things on Facebook that will cause real problems for the case later on, and something we'll have to explain away because it's not always easy to do, and so you need to take that into consideration. Insurance companies will use that against you every time that they can. For instance, a mother, a grandmother, posted a picture of her hugging her grandchild on Facebook. Well, that was used against her to prove that she really wasn't hurt because she was enjoying and smiling at the time she was holding her grandchild, even though she had a very serious injury. That moment of joy, she was able to put aside her injury for a moment, momentarily, in that photograph. But that will be used against you. So you want to get rid of that kind of information as quickly as possible. Facebook is something that is really a problem in modern cases. Can be if it shows the wrong kind of stuff and is open to the general public. So keep that in mind, and it's something we can try and keep out of evidence Facebook, but it's a problem we don't need to have. So keep that in mind. So those are common mistakes that people make. Other mistakes is they don't preserve photographs of the area as soon as possible. You need to have photographs of those areas. For instance, if there's a grape on the floor in a grocery store, which is certainly a common thing people slip on, very slippery grapes, and that if we get a photograph of that, that's great. Oftentimes we won't, but we will get a report from the grocery store as to what was on the floor, and oftentimes that helps us in the case. Oftentimes there are pictures taken in the store itself, which will help us in those kinds of cases. Have to look at every case. Don't make the mistake of talking to the insurance adjuster, that's for sure. And be careful what you post on Facebook. If you don't have to post on Facebook, please don't. Thanks. You can call my office if you have more questions.